Hello guys, today in this video we are going to start a loop that we have. How many types of loop do we have and why do we use that? And okay, let me write it. Okay, loop is used to repeat a statement or set of statement or until the condition is true. Sorry, or until the condition is true. It means that loop is used to repeat a statement or a set of code, a set of statement or a set of code until the condition is true. If the condition is true, so the loop will execute so the statement again and again. So we use loop. So we have three types of loop: for loop, while loop, do while loop. So now we are discussing about for loop in this video. For loop is used to repeat a set of code for a fixed number of time. Here for loop is used for a fixed number of time. So we initialize, we put the condition, we specify the number of time that this loop will be executed. So here the structure of for loop: initialization, then condition or boolean expression, or and after that we use increment, decrement, and after that the body of for loop. So in the first we initialize the variable and after that we set the condition. So here we initialize or we put the condition or we set the fixed number of time that this loop will be executed, and here we use increment or decrement the loop, and after that the body of loop will be executed until this condition becomes false. Okay, let's come to a practical example of this for loop. Okay, come here and build another loop, and we have to delete this one, and after that public static void main string args. Let me write a simple statement, a simple method. Programming is interesting. I love Java. So if I run this, so it will be executed only for one time. It will be printed only for one time. If I want this code to be printed out for 10 times, so let me copy this one and paste it here for 10 times. So it takes too much time to and too much space to code, this much code, so then after that, and we can, and it is a boring method to write a method or for 10 times to repeat, so it is boring, so we do not want that to be repeated. So we use a statement here, for loop, and a is equal to, this is initialization, a is less than 10, a plus plus, and after that body of this. So here we initialize the variable, and after that a less than 10, so 10 times will be this executed, and it will print it out for 10 times. So we can do we can write this statement for 10 times, but that is not a good way to write a code, so it takes too much time and it takes too much space as well in programming. So we have to write simple one statement to write that code. A less than, it is a boolean expression or it is a condition, and after that increment decrement, we increment a is equal to 0, a less than 10, so the condition is true, a plus plus mean this will be executed, and after that the compiler will not come here, it doesn't check this initialization, it comes here, a less than 10, here 1 is less than 10, so 1 plus plus, it means 2, the second mean this statement will be repeated again, will be printed out again, and after that a 2 less than 10, so 2 plus plus 3, then this statement will be printed out, so until this condition becomes false. So let me run this 10 times, the statement will be executed. So before here I have to it will be printed 9 times. So because the condition a less than or equal to L, here if we write equal, so then all that 10 times will be printed out. Your programming is interesting and I love you. Programming is interesting, I love you. So 10 times, 11 times, because 0 is also counted with it. So it is interesting way of doing printing out a statement for a fixed number of times. So we use for loop here.